Deputy KHADC uba PNSM hakas ngipale ulaong baga KHADC kanya persang man pelong ni katamasa kimau bena ne ka Monolith Festival kaba Kham he bat kaba Kham bha shu ban ya katamasa Hornbill ne ka Hornbill Festival kaba julang hajla nagalan uba SM ulaong ru baga KHADC kastang bat penya syakmat ya kiteli kibade banle ulaong ru bakila don bon maha kinong wan jengok kai perthei kibala wan ban sakhi bat wan jengok ka Monolith Festival kabadang shu dep pelong shen ya kan ka tamasa Monolith kabalai la Pynlong ban pen I sya ka perthei ya ka jingru spa kariti du store bat ka jingher pateng kiriti trekam jong kimin barem jong ka jaj benru
This
khasi
third edition of the Monolith Festival is the best. The first, at least sometime we were started on 2013, first edition. We cannot compare with the third editions. Huge crowd attended the festival. The beautiful is all women, men, they attend the festival with kids and children. They can enjoy the traditional food. They can enjoy watching traditional dance, traditional songs. Everything is traditional. So it is different with other festival. This is purely a traditional festival. So huge crowd, not only from the state of Meghalaya, other state in India maximum. We met from Pune, from Mumbai, from Chennai. They are really enjoy the festival. At the same time, not only from the different state, but even from people from outside India. So they used to come and visit them. My brother, he is the chief of Hawal Kingdom. I think you know, down in Mountain Ram. He have selfie with many tourists from other countries. So it is a very good festival. We can make it far more better than Hornbill because the Hornbill has been started long time back. But Monolith, I think this is the only third edition. But still we could gather crowd, that much of crowd. So we are very thankful to the state government for their kind cooperation with us. Through Meghalayan Aid Limited, they work together with us where all these traditional huts have been repaired. Then it has been beautified. So we are very thankful to them. Even the even management team also has been financially helped by the state government. So we are very thankful. I think working together between the district council, the state government, we have no problem to make it a larger festival in the next year to come.